is a weather impact day here, so we do have the possibility of storms this afternoon and evening.
Sure do. We need the rain, Lainey, but just not all at once.
Yeah, we don't need flooding rains. We don't want severe weather, and we just have had now 2 severe thunderstorm warnings issued, one for Wilkes, one for Stokes and Surrey, and that is for wind and hail, and that is the threat between now and about 9 o'clock. We think later on it becomes more of a heavy rain concern with remnants of Arthur starting to push into the Carolinas. Even by early tomorrow morning, there could be a risk for isolated tornadoes depending on where Arthur's remnants line up with regard to our area. We'll talk more about that. You're checking out the view. This is Stewart, and you can see the clouds overhead there. And yes, we do have in that area some thunderstorms. We've got warnings right now for Surrey County, also warnings that are over northern Wilkes County. You can see Trap Hill, Hayes community. Those are the areas we're talking about. And with these particular warnings, damaging winds 60 miles an hour or greater. Also large hail is a possibility with these 2 thunderstorms. There's some rain down over the heart of the Triad, but these storms have intensified just now, and you can see right around White Plains, heavy downpours with this. Also the possibility of strong winds. And then too, you can also see that very high reflectivity coming off there from hail. So 1-inch hail possible. You need to bring those cars into the garage, protect them. Trap Hill back toward Mulberry with this particular storm. These warnings are up until 6 o'clock. That hail risk does include communities as well as that damaging wind risk across the area. The tornado risk is mainly to our south and to our east. Doesn't mean we couldn't get an isolated tornado in other areas, but the primary threat is down to the south and east. And remember, if we do get a tornado warning and even a severe thunderstorm, safest place is lowest floor away from windows wherever you are. We also have flash flood concerns across the area, and we've got a flash flood watch that is posted up toward the border of North Carolina and Virginia. Includes Reidsville, Danbury, Yadkinville, Wilkesboro, Mount Airy. And we need rain. Like Kenny said, the latest drought map shows that exceptional drought kind of expanding west now into parts of Guilford County now, all under exceptional drought. We're getting some heavy downpours, but the problem is it's not really soaking in. We need kind of days of steady light to moderate rain. But some of the rainfall totals that we're going to get tonight, 1 to 2 inches, maybe an hour from some of the thunderstorms, could put us in kind of a flash flood threat, at least for the short term. Again, we do have that threat all the way down to the south and to the west, and this is 2 separate things going on. A front that's coming in, remember we've talked about this, and then what's left of Arthur kind of coming together somewhere over the Carolinas and the Virginias. So we have our severe storm threat with the front now till about 9 o'clock or so, and then we'll start to pay more attention to what's happening down to the south, as that'll be more of a late night and an overnight concern. Hour by hour forecast shows you some of these storms we've got out there. We may see more kind of intensify in that 7, 8, 9 o'clock window, especially northern tier. After that, it becomes a focus of rain, and that is toward midnight, overnight into early tomorrow morning. And notice more convection a little farther to the south and east. That's where we think we're going to see our higher rainfall totals on this current trend with the front and Arthur's remnants lining up. It's also where we may see some more severe weather overnight, early tomorrow morning, that tornado threat that we're talking about. Meanwhile, Hurricane Center still keeping an eye on this one. It may emerge out over the Atlantic this weekend, and it could become a tropical system again. That front is north and west. Look at this wall of water that's now moving over parts of Alabama and Mississippi, and it is forecast to move generally over the Carolinas tonight. This is about 2 a.m. You can see the heaviest rains right now still forecast to stay south and east of us, and this is through early tomorrow morning, and then we really start to dry out by late morning and into the afternoon tomorrow. We've got some heat for you, but we're also looking at maybe some substantial rains that could put us close to 1 inch or so as we head into early tomorrow. The forecast for tomorrow does have clearing skies, high temperature 87. We'll have a little bit of morning rain around, 83 with a northwest breeze that brings in drier air for the foothills, mountains, and Triad. Our 7-day forecast, once we do dry out tomorrow, looks great heading into the Father's Day weekend.
Sure does. Thank you, Laney. 522. First check on traffic here in this hour. This is Salem Parkway at I-74 in Forsyth County. As you can see, a big traffic tie-up as people are trying to get onto the off-ramp and onto the highway. We'll keep an eye on this, make sure it doesn't get any worse, and check our DOT maps to make sure there isn't a crash.
Hitting the road.